Natural wood lumps, often overlooked and discarded, hold untapped potential to become breathtaking pieces of rustic home decor. These irregular, raw, and organic shapes are not only rich in texture, but also carry a story within every knot, grain, and crack. Transforming them into functional or decorative elements offers a powerful way to infuse nature into interior spaces, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere that feels grounded and timeless. Hello dear friends. Welcome back to Kuki Decor. Today, we will show you the collection of creative wood lump ideas for rustic home decor. Dear viewers, if you love woodworking, rustic charm, and modern minimalist decor, you're in the right place. At Kuki Decor, we bring unique, eco-friendly, and nature-inspired design ideas to life. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. The beauty of using wood lumps lies in their uniqueness. No two are the same, making each creation a one-of-a-kind statement. The journey begins with selecting the right lump, one that speaks with its natural curves or weathered imperfections. Whether it's a small stump, a chunky offcut, or a gnarled piece salvaged from a fallen tree, the possibilities are endless. One of the most popular ways to transform these natural forms is by turning them into side tables or stools. Sanding and sealing a wood lump while preserving its rugged edges allows its true character to shine through. For artistic creators and DIY enthusiasts, integrating wood lumps into mixed media projects opens new doors of expression. Combining these forms with glass, resin, or metal can result in gallery-worthy pieces. Resin-filled wood lumps, in particular, have gained popularity for their mystical, glowing interiors, often appearing like captured water, fire, or gemstone within a chunk of tree. These techniques not only preserve the natural lump, but enhance it, pushing boundaries between craft and art. Even in modern or minimalist homes, carefully selected wood lumps can serve as grounding anchors. A single sculptural wood form placed in a sleek space introduces warmth, texture, and an organic counterpoint to clean lines and monochrome palettes. This fusion of styles is at the heart of many contemporary design trends, including Japandi and wabi-sabi, where imperfection, nature, and simplicity are embraced rather than hidden. Adding metal or hairpin legs creates a contrast between industrial and organic aesthetics, making the final piece perfect for rustic modern spaces. Similarly, wood lumps can be turned into lamp bases, where their raw form adds depth and earthiness to soft lighting. Pairing a simple linen shade with the untamed silhouette of a wooden base creates an artistic, sculptural lamp that doubles as decor. For wall art, slices of wood lumps can be arranged in geometric or freeform patterns, revealing stunning growth rings and natural tones. Mounted on a neutral wall, they bring in a sense of forest charm and texture. Another approach is to hollow out a large wood lump and use it as a planter, allowing greenery to cascade from the natural vessel, merging plant life with its original host in a beautiful, symbolic loop. In the kitchen or dining area, polished wood lumps can become rustic serving boards, centerpieces, or candle holders. Their imperfections and variations add a handcrafted touch that enhances any table setting. Even in minimalist homes, placing a single, untreated wood lump in a corner or under a console, as a sculptural accent can create a powerful visual impact. To highlight their natural appeal, wood lumps can be treated with natural oils that deepen their tones and protect them without hiding their story. Wood lumps also lend themselves beautifully to seasonal decor. In autumn, they can be adorned with candles, pine cones, or miniature pumpkins. In winter, paired with string lights or ornaments for a cozy, festive vibe. Their versatility means they transition easily through the seasons while maintaining a consistent rustic charm. For those who enjoy DIY projects, working with wood lumps is a rewarding experience. There's a tactile connection to the material that invites creativity and mindfulness. Even beginners can start small, perhaps by turning a lump into a trivet or a rustic base for a mirror. Over time, these small projects can evolve into more elaborate creations like benches, coat racks, or layered shelves. When strategically placed, these wood elements become focal points that ground the design of a room, creating a narrative of nature reclaimed and reimagined. Whether you live in a countryside cottage or a city apartment, incorporating transformed wood lumps brings authenticity, texture, and a sense of history into your living environment. They remind us of nature's resilience and the beauty in what's often considered imperfect. In a world of mass-produced decor, these natural wood creations stand out, not only for their look, but for the personal journey behind their transformation. Each crack tells a story, every grain whispers of the forest, and the finished piece becomes more than furniture. It becomes art rooted in nature's design. So, the next time you come across a wood lump, see it not as scrap, but as a canvas full of rustic possibilities. Beyond the traditional uses, wood lumps can also find a home in unexpected places, adding surprise and depth to interior design. Imagine a bathroom where a small, polished wood lump serves as a soap holder or a stand for rolled towels, bringing an organic spa-like feel to the space. In bedrooms, these rustic pieces can function as unique bedside tables, jewelry holders, or even sculptural bases for floating shelves. The contrast between soft linens and the dense, earthy texture of wood creates a tactile balance that makes a room feel grounded and serene. In outdoor spaces, wood lumps shine just as brightly. When sealed properly, they make excellent garden stools, natural stepping stones, or even whimsical elements like fairy garden bases or bird bath stands. Their resistance to weathering, especially if sourced from hardwoods like oak or teak, allows them to maintain character while aging beautifully with time. By using wood lumps in both interior and exterior design, you create visual continuity, a design language that speaks to natural harmony. Sustainability is another compelling reason to embrace wood lump decor. Many of these pieces are salvaged from fallen trees, offcuts from sawmills, or discarded remnants from larger furniture builds. By repurposing them, you're giving new life to what might otherwise become waste, making each project an act of eco-conscious creativity. This approach aligns beautifully with today's growing awareness of environmental responsibility in design, turning your home into a statement of intentional living. Another exciting use for wood lumps lies in functional innovation. Designers have begun turning them into Bluetooth speaker housings, charging stations, and even clocks, merging technology with nature in unexpected, beautiful ways. These projects show that wood lumps aren't just for decor, they can also serve modern needs while keeping a rustic soul. Ultimately, the beauty of working with wood lumps lies in their unpredictability. Each shape demands a different approach, encouraging makers to think outside the box, to design around the wood instead of forcing it into a predefined mold. This results in furniture and decor that feel alive, pieces with character, history, and a sense of place. As more people seek authenticity in their homes, wood lump ideas are rising to meet that need, not with flashy finishes or perfect symmetry, but with raw beauty, organic shape, and heartfelt craftsmanship. So whether you're crafting a coffee table, a cozy nook accessory, or a bold artistic installation, remember that the most unassuming wood lump may just become the centerpiece of your home. Let nature guide your hands, and let your creativity turn those forgotten chunks into enduring works of rustic elegance. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new videos. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.